Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pardon effects. Pardons symbolize forgiveness for the crime, but usually don't wipe out guilt or expunge the conviction. This typically means that, where asked, job applicants must disclose the conviction, though they can add that a pardon was granted.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A pardon does not, however, erase the fact that an individual was convicted of a crime. The criminal record is not erased, but it is kept separate and apart from other, non-pardoned, criminal records.
Take our lead.
A presidential pardon is essentially the only way to restore your firearms rights if you've been convicted of a federal felony. The result is that a presidential pardon is the only means by which a person convicted of a federal felony may obtain this relief. Remember, this only applies to federal crimes. 17 January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.